Okay, I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna plug in my Xbox thing. Go. I took it apart so you can see it, or because I wanted to see it earlier and I kind of fucked everything up. So whatever. But this orange light, right? The orange LED. Okay, everything's connected straight to the wall. Alright, I waited like 2 minutes after I unplugged everything to plug it all back in together. I'll take this cord and I'm gonna plug it into my Xbox. Alright, and just watch and listen. Made a buzzing noise and the thing turns off. And there's no power. There's nothing. I don't understand. Can someone help me out?